Hello everyone, welcome to ollzo. From now, if you face some difficulties on WordPress or if you want some new tutorial, you can request us for that content request. Today I want to show you how can you implement these features on your WordPress website or on your client WordPress website. After end of this video, you can take feedback or feature request from your customer like this. Your customer can input a title and description, then submit it. Also, they can vote or unvote the old request on your WordPress website. They can check other feature requests that other customer already submitted on your WordPress website, and based on the vote they also can check the top vote which is based on the other vote. First of all, I'll log in and get into my WordPress dashboard. After that, I'll click on plugin and install plugin. After that, I'll click on add new. Now I need to search feature request. This is the plugin, simple feature request, free. This plugin we are going to use, so I'm installing this plugin. After that, activate this plugin. Now I will allow and continue. Alright, so my plugin has been installed and activated. Now I need to set up this plugin so that I can use on my website. The way I'm going to show you, exact same way you can implement these features on your WordPress website. First of all, I'll create a new page. With that page, I'm going to take feature request from the potential customer. So this is the page. Now I'm publishing the page. And let's view the page. This is the blank page right now. I'm going back to my dashboard again. After that, this request settings. Now I'll move to the general. Here I need to select which page I want to show, but the page we just created it's not available here. So what we can do, we can refresh the page. Now let's check it again. So this is the page we want to show, and after that, enable comments and enable a credit. Let's save it. We are done. The last things we need to do, we need to add the shortcode on our Deezer page. So I forget the shortcode. I'm going to take that shortcode from the documentation page. So this is the shortcode. Let's copy the shortcode and paste the shortcode here. Update the page, refresh my page now. So it's showing that latest, top, my request and the status. After that, it also show me simple feature request powered by options. Now if I want to remove this option, what I need to do, I'll move back to the settings once again. After that, this is the enable credit. I need to uncheck this option. At the same time, if you want to disable the comment, then you also can uncheck this option. Now save the changes. Now I'm refreshing the website one more time. So here the feature request form, I'm adding one title here. Now it show me the description. Here is the description for the feature request. I can submit it. So see, my request is available here. This is title, this is my description, and I can boot it, I can unboot it. Now if I try from logout phase, what it will show, let me check again. So the same way it will give me a description box and a email and password box. So it means if I am a new user, I will have to do the register first. After that, I can submit the request. Now if you have some content request, you can check our description box. We added our content request link on the description. You can simply click there and request us for new content. Thank you.